Good morning, this is Jack from Charting the Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Friday, the 6th of December. My disclaimer, I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing, learn from it, transfer it to your own charts. I'm not here to issue trading signals. Right. I did a post yesterday. I was looking at a scenario and I was talking about a move off the 3SD upper band on Bitcoin, and actually we saw that. It got down to 91,000 very rapidly. Didn't get any, there was no 60-minute sell signal. There was a 15-minute sell signal, and that's now made target. But we will see. We broke the rising support there, and obviously it went down below the daily middle band further than it has done at any point in the last few days. So we will see. I think we might be finding support there, or there might be another leg down. This looks like one move. This could be an ABC, but it looks like one move. We could see another move lower. We will see how that goes. But obviously the flag is done. We've broken the rising support. That's not necessarily particularly significant, but we will see. On Solana, Solana is still holding under the daily middle band, still poking above it. Might see a break above it, but at the moment we have not yet seen one. On the hourly chart, no current divergence. On the 15-minute chart, we broke the declining resistance for the channel that I pointed out yesterday. Let's have a quick look and see whether we've got an alternate one here. I'm a little doubtful, to be honest. But let's just have a quick look anyway. Right, hang on, still coming from there. But we may still be forming the larger bull flag that I was talking about. And yes, we still have a channel. So it's just a different channel. So wondering whether we may still do that. What I would say is, look at the resistance levels here. We came up and touched the wedge resistance trend line pretty much perfectly. Does this mean this is a rising wedge? Yes, it does. It's expanded on this low here, which went slightly lower, but we're still in it, and I'm still wondering about another leg down. We will see. All right, looking at Ethereum. Ethereum on the daily chart, haven't seen much of a pullback so far. This trend line, this RSI5 sell signal here, let's have a look, see how that did yesterday. I'm not sure. I'm just wondering if that failed. I'm not sure it does. Yeah, it failed. So we lost that. It's not that it was something which I was thinking was necessarily going to play out anyway. We've seen another high. Obviously, we've got an open target at 40.92.73. We will see how it goes. But I think, do we have an obvious resistance trend line here? I don't think so at the moment. At least last time I looked, we were not close to any particular options. And I don't think we're close to one now. No, we're getting closer. That is one of the options, which is a channel resistance. And another option here would be a megaphone resistance. But none of them are that great. So I'm not really looking at these as likely options, more like just possible options. But that one's quite a nice one. Let's draw that in. If that is the option, then I'd be looking for a move up further, potentially before we see a decline. But we will see. But the main thing I'm looking at here is Solana. On Solana, it's all about, are we going to do another leg down? We're holding the daily middle band as resistance, and we've been holding it for several days. If that continues to be resistance, then that gives us the opening for another leg down, and we could well see that. It's that, I suspect, I think that would just be a bull flag forming, and there would just give us a buy opportunity further down. So we shall see. All right, great. Everyone have a great weekend, and I will see you guys on Monday morning.